10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. 10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. The way I stole the game, they gon' think it was a robbery. 10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. 10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. 10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. The way I stole the game, they gon' think it was a robbery. Don't nobody do it like I do it. Early just do it. She think I might screw her. She cute, I might do her. That old school cool, but my Maserati knew her. Whole damn team outside, nigga pull up. Early birds that blew up. I manifest the game. Early bird doing pull ups. Who all want some gas? Early bird doing fill ups. And if you broke, then you could get up and you can work for me, bruh. Stop flexing off the meter. I only fly with eager. Little bosses, I don't see ya. You know that I'm superior. I rip you into pieces. You know that I eat ya and tear you into pieces. 10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. 10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. 10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. The way I stole the game, they gon' think it was a robbery. 10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. 10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. 10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. The way I stole the game, they gon' think it was a robbery. Once upon a time, I was broke without a dime. No one fought but mine, yeah, I had to change the time. Lil' Willie on the grind, and he selling dimes, and he got them nicks, and he got them sticks. I used to want the finer thing with no money to buy it. I was so broke I couldn't hide it. It was close to dying. Won't wish that on my enemies. Stop working like it's 10 to me. If I'm broke, then I brain me. Can't let a nigga tame me. Money is unlimited. There's no one equivalent. I tried just like 50 Cent. Run up in my trap just like Wob. You got Gucci bit. Put them in the blunt, roll them up, and start smoking them. 10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. 10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. 10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. The way I stole the game, they gon' think it was a robbery. 10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. 10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. 10-17, pick 4, I hit the lottery. The way I stole the game, they gon' think it was a robbery. Man, they think I robbed the joint, man. For real, them niggas are scared, they running and stuff, man. They thinking I robbed this joint, nigga. Straight up, I done took this motherfucker, nigga. It's my shit, nigga. Early bird. You know what time it is, nigga. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's Mr. Early Bird. Mr. Early Bird in the building. Big shout out, Guwap.